Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Jajuar XEL Smart Key.
All keys lost. We need to prepare for K518 Pro. The OBD lines and a smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Plug in the OBD. The first step is to choose Smart Key Generation. Land Rover. Select the first menu. Put the smart key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successful. OK. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find Jaguar. Select from vehicle. Select the menu for 2015-2018. Program smart key. Select type 4 OBD. Write smart key. According to the prompt, click OK. OK, because what we did was all the keys lost. Click Cancel. Pay attention to the above prompts. Click OK. Select first key position generate. Put our smart key into the card slot. OK. Select the first menu OK. Successful generation. If no further generation is required, click Cancel. Programming complete. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? Step on the brake and press the start button. Started the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control normally. Lock. Unlock.
We had programmed Smart Key for 2018 Jajuar XEL. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.